The National Weather Service in Brownsville has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southern Starr County in deep South Texas until 7:45 p.m. At 6:53 p.m., National Weather Service meteorologists detected a line of severe thunderstorms capable of producing damaging 60-mile-per-hour winds from Falcon Dam to 11 miles south of Rio Grande City, moving northeast at 50 miles per hour. Locations in the warning include Escobares, Santa Cruz, La Grala, La Victoria, Santa Catarina, Rio Grande City, Highway 83. Severe thunderstorms can produce wind speeds strong enough to bring down trees and power lines and damage or destroy mobile homes and outbuildings. Persons outdoors or in vehicles should seek safety inside a sturdy building until the storm passes. If you can hear thunder, you are close enough to be struck by lightning. Please report tornadoes or funnel clouds, winds of 58 miles per hour or higher, hail the size of pennies or larger, and any wind damage to your National Weather Service in Brownsville by calling 956-5-0-4-1-4-3-2. A severe thunderstorm watch remains in effect until 10 p.m. Saturday evening for Central Texas. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 7:45 p.m. for the following counties: Starr County in deep South Texas,